Yay! You decided to join us, and I am so excited for that. Thank you so much for registering for the 5-day Steaming Your Sisterlocks challenge. And it is going to be a fun challenge because it is going to push you out of your comfort zone. It is going to challenge you to do some things that you've never done, but you will get the results that you're looking for. So, if you have slow growing, dry hair, thinning hair, this challenge is for you, right? It is for you, and I am so excited. I can't wait to connect with you. Click any button on this page that offers a one-time 30% discount on the bundle, right? On the moisturizing bundle that includes the steamer, right? So I have so much in store for you, and I'm so excited. Thank you again for registering, and I can't wait to see you on the other side. Peace.